Dori Sukap here with another question of the week. I'm loving doing these questions for you, and I love the fact that you keep sending them to me, so keep them coming. This week's question came to us from Michael from North Carolina. Michael is asking, actually he had a statement and then a question. He's saying, I attended a conference recently and I was scared to death about what the speaker was saying about being compliant with the law. I trust you. Do you have a reliable resource for an attorney who is familiar with our industry and the laws? I'm so glad you asked that, Michael, because this is such a big issue right now. So many medical spas and even day spas are getting in trouble, and there are lawsuits that are popping up here and there and everywhere because people are crossing the line. So I can understand why you were scared, because I think they're probably showing you the extreme cases of what's going on, and that's actually reality. But there are also things that some attorneys do that want to scare you to death so you can hire them and pay them a lot of money. So you're absolutely right about reaching out and asking this question, because I want to make a recommendation to you. As a matter of fact, I have a special guest that's going to be joining me for a webinar, and she is an attorney. Her name is Allyson Avila, and she specializes in medical spas and spas. And she knows all the laws and everything that you need to know to make sure that you are in compliance with the law. So what I want to do is let you know that we have a webinar coming up, and during this webinar it's going to be an interview style. So I'm actually going to interview her and ask all the questions that are on your mind that you want answers for. So we're going to talk about licensing requirements. I'm going to be asking her about supervision requirements, training requirements, all the medical director rules, insurances, advertising restrictions, you name it. I have a list of 10 questions that I'm going to be asking her to give members of our community total clarity on what is going on in the industry right now and how you can protect yourself to make sure that you are within the legal guidelines and you're not going to put your business in jeopardy. So I'm so glad you asked this question. Look below for the date and the time. As a matter of fact, we're going to record it so it would be online all the time, so people like you can come and watch it, and it's going to be totally complimentary, so you can come watch it, take notes, and then if you have further questions for Allyson, she's offering a special offer for all the Inspiration Management members and community members. So I'm going to tell you on that webinar how you can reach out to her and how she can actually help you and make sure that you are in compliance with the law. So thank you again for your question. Hope this helped. Do you have a question? Make sure you write us to info@inspirationmanagement.com so we can answer your questions too. Until next time, stay inspired.